Hey guys, I wanted to show you guys how to set up a MIDI controller in the layout section of Mainstage 3. I'm using an M Audio Axiom Air 49, and I want to show you how to add the fader sliders, which are here, and then also some other buttons that I use for controls. So let's get started. We're going to open Mainstage 3 and select New. I'm going to use the keyboard minimalist option there. In Mainstage 3, you have a Layout, Edit, and Perform tab at the top left. We're going to select Layout. This is where you can add all your controls and give you like a nice GUI interface representing what you have hardware-wise. So that's where it's going to show you what type of controller it is. Now we're going to come down to the Grouped Controls tab, and I'm going to select the 9 vertical faders, and you can drag it in, and then you can resize it just to give yourself some more room to add the other controls. And then next, I'm gonna I'm gonna select the 9 buttons group. I'm gonna drag and pull that in, and then I'll resize that accordingly as well. And that's all I'm gonna cover today. I will do another video showing you how to assign those. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.